Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Dan 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 dan, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Lalo naman tayo ka naman. Love you, Lemon. Tayo ka naman. Wish. Happy birthday, Tito Ramon.
Stay safe po, stay healthy. See you soon.
Happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday!
We miss you. Yay.
Happy 60th baby birthday. Yeah.
Happy
60th, Mon. More blessings to come.
Happy
Take care. Enjoy your birthday.
Mon, happy 60th birthday. See you pagka nakarating na kami sa Manila sa December. Sensya na, nandito kami waiting for the boat. Tawid kami ng dagat. And enjoy your birthday. God bless. And see you soon.
Mon, happy birthday. God bless you.
Hello, Mon. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mon. Happy birthday. Ka-birthday mo gali si FPRRD. No idea kung masaya ka or malungkot nga ang ka-birthday mo ay nasa Netherlands. Pero kidding aside, sayang na wala ako dyan sa Maynila to celebrate your birthday. And I can only guess nga surprise ini because si Der requested this from me more than a week ago and was hoping nga sa Maynila ako. Siguro I'll be in Manila baka mga a week after pa. But anyway, hindi naman ako siguro a reason kung wala ako para not to enjoy a very special day with your family. Kag sa mga friends mo nga arada to celebrate with you. I hope to see you soon. I don't know where and when, pero hopefully when you come here to Bacolod and to Himom Island, I can see you. May God bless you always with good health, safe travels, and happiness of family. And I hope also the best surprise will be for Der to give you an apo. Happy birthday, Mon. Take care always. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ramon. We wish you good health and may God bless you always. Happy birthday! Ang among pamahaw, ari lang kami di sa Imamaylan. Enjoy! Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ramon. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Mon. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Mon. Happy 60th birthday. I hope nga magmalawig pagid ang imo nga kabuhi kag tagan ka pagid ni Lord sang maayo malawas ka. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Good day, Tito Ramon. Thank you so much for the gift of life upon you. Good health and prosperity.
Happy birthday, Mon. God bless. God bless you always and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Sa akong classmate, Ramon Rolian, happy 60th birthday gid sa imo, Mon. Good health and more power gid sa imo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. God bless.
Para sa kumpare ko na may birthday ngayon. Happy birthday, pare. Kumusta ka dyan? Kumusta kayo? Kumusta ang pamilya mo? Pare ko, ito pa rin ako. Dito pa rin sa Saudi. Naalala mo pa ba yung mga pinagsamahan natin dito sa Saudi? Kung saan tayo nakarating. Kung anong karanasan ang sinapit natin dito. Pero ito pa rin. Ito ako. Yan ka. Walang nagbabago. Alam mo naman. Kahit na ilang taon lang tayo nagsama rito, pero hindi natin malilimutan yung mga araw na yon. Sana pre, alagaan mo yung kalusugan. Huwag ka mag-alala pag uwi ko. Hanapin kita, pupuntahan kita dyan. At dalhin kita rin sa amin. Kumusta kayo dyan? Dave, ang tatay mo, alagaan mo yung napakabait ng tatay mo niyan. Sa lahat ng kumpare ko, talagang labis yan. Sige. Magpakasaya ka pre. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Pagdating ko dyan, kikita tayo. Ingat pre. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday pre. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Ay pare, pasensya na. Hindi nakapunta. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy.